One is Video League, wherein you can create a multiplex, a virtual multiplex in your phone from a list of YouTube videos, and based on the performance of these YouTube videos, that is, how many views that these videos get, you'll be ranked. And paying 10 rupees and gaining 1 lakh rupees is the fun part. That is, people who are having a passion for movie, they can just play for 10 rupees and they can win a huge amount. And the second thing is basic quizzes, puzzles, etc. So one type of quiz that we have is multiple choice, wherein there will be a question and 4 options will be given, and you will have to answer a total of 8 questions, and from these the user who is taking the shortest time, that is fastest finger wins. That is, a person having good knowledge about movies, he can answer the questions fastly and win the game. And the second type is basic yes or no questions. That is, we will be asking movie related questions, yes or no questions, and the user can choose whether the fact is yes or no. And the third type of game that we have is that picture puzzles. That is, we will be given an image and you will have to guess the answer. Okay, it can be the character name of the actor's image that is shown. It can be the hero's name, like that. From a simple hint, they should figure out the answer from the picture and answer it. And the current event, that is Soupy Dream Day 2020. So the Dream Prize Contest is the latest implementation and the latest release by Soupy, wherein a user, that is the player, can submit his dream prize for the dream product. That is, suppose we are having a contest for iPhone 12, and Anjali has won this iPhone 12 for 1,270 rupees. So the thing is, you can submit your dream prize in Soupy for a contest, and the lowest unique dream prize wins the contest. Okay, that is how it works. And I would like to thank everyone who has come here to mark this beginning of Soupy. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. So now we are moving on to the distribution of the mementos, for all the hard works for everybody has given for this new gaming app for India. So I would like our CEO, Mr. Yuva Pushpankar, and the directors, our co-founders, to please come up on the stage. Can we show some love? Can we have a big round of applause? Yes.
Who wrapped this?
Thank you so much for this beautiful mementos. And now the stage is all yours. Any questions? Yeah, can we have the microphone? And one microphone here.
Can we? Can we? You are here. Good to see you all. Sunny, good to see you after a long time. Tell us your association with Sunny Leone, how she came on board, and you always wanted Sunny to be a part of it. Yeah, to you.
Look at the numbers what we have with Instagram, all the thing, 42 million, and and the famous celebrity. So definitely that's a choice, and that kind of people, crazy people, play this kind of game. So there is no other choice for us. First thing, Sunny Leone only. So that's all.
Sunny, what's your take on this? 42 million people following you.
It's amazing. I love my fans. I think they're the best. But it feels good to have that many followers, of course.
What do you say about the app, Supi app? It's all about Hollywood, Bollywood, where there's a quiz happening.
हाँ
That
मुझे
is-
बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि now I can go on and कुछ सीख भी सकती हूँ. I can learn about Bollywood trivia. When you live in a country जहाँ सब लोग Bollywood के लिए, actors के लिए, entertainment के लिए पागल हो जाते हैं, wherever they are, I think that it's a very unique and creative way of kind of harnessing what the passions of the country is. So I think it's awesome. I can't wait to play because now I'll learn. And I'm going to be guessing. This is the best. You bid 50 rupees and you guess what you want to, you guess the amount of money and you win an iPhone. That's a, and सबको पता है जब आप कुछ win करते हैं कितना अच्छा लगता है. That whatever you win is extra special. So I think it's great. I'm surprised she's not open. These two have not opened the boxes yet.
युवा जी ढेरों सारे ऐप हैं हमारे मार्केट में, स्पेशली गेमिंग ऐप बहुत हैं. सो कितना चैलेंजिंग होने वाला है आपके लिए?
See, this is the first time, first movie app in the world, movie gaming app in the world. So there is no challenge for us for right now. So this is for common people. 10 rupees, you are putting for 10 rupees and you're getting, suppose 80,000 rupees or 6,000 rupees, depend upon the traffic. So you're playing not with the company, you're playing with the people who's involved in. That's more thing in this game. And especially about, that lowest price, 50 rupees only you're putting. Just 50 rupees and you're getting a phone like 2 lakhs, 1,60,000 rupees, that phone you're getting. And it's not hurting anyone, just normal thing, and you answer for all the movie questions, you will get it. You make mistake, that is your mistake. We are not making mistake, we are not doing anything. This is all up to, everything is clear. Everything is in the Google, what is the answer, what kind of movie is doing, or who's the actor, everything is there. So you can check it again. Not like other app.
पूरा दिन खेल सकते हैं. When you're betting 10 rupees or very, very little amounts of money, I like that. We all like when we can go to the casino and you put the penny in the slot machine and you sit there all day long, and I think it's great. And obviously I would learn something as well.
It's a chocolate money, 10 rupees.
So what is the USP of your app? What is the USP of your app?
So the thing is, the uniqueness that we have is the fantasy gaming format for the movie industry. That is, there is not even a single app who is doing a fantasy platform for movie industry. That is, the sports fantasy platforms like Dream11 and all. We are a similar platform for the movie industry. It is the first time in India such a kind of a platform has been released. You put in 10 rupees, you get 1 lakh rupees. That is if you win. and everything is legitimate business. And whatever you are doing, you need to have a basic knowledge of movies. So it is skill based.
I'm changing my profession. You get this much money for playing with such little amount of money.
You, as you said, you started your journey here from Mumbai, and you used to do modeling here in Mumbai. And tell us how you got this idea of making an app, and that to talk about Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood, numerous thing where somebody can make a money.
See, I told you I'm very passionate about movies. I watch a lot of movies. I'm into movies. Actually, I supposed to do a good movie before the corona. It's happened. Full workout and everything all done. When corona happened, everything is gone. Then I was sitting and working on other things. I have other business also. Then Mr. Miffin, I know him very well. So he told me we have developed one app like that. It's a movie related thing. And I told him, get me the numbers first. Then he's given the numbers, all these things, how they, how they work and everything. Then I told, I need 2 days time. I studied very well. Everything is, this was before it's a different name. I changed, all things changed like a different thing now. Now I made a setup, the corporate level, and a lot of things we changed. So it's quite interesting, and movie is something, if you like something, you want to do it, and I love to do this kind of things, this challenging job.
Sunny, to you, the Hindi film industry, Bollywood, India is all about Hindi film industry, Bollywood. Do you think it's another form of employment when you talk about the current scenario in COVID in India, or I would say whether across the globe?
Did you say, is it a tough employment? Is that what your question was?
My question is, do you think it's another form of employment where you're spending 10 rupees and you're getting something out of it?
Kyun nahi? I mean, you can. I would suggest everybody play responsibly, but it's great pastime. You can sit, you can learn, you can do all these things. But I have a question. I want to know how kitna time laga ye data jo app mein dala hai, kitna time
15 seconds.
No, how much time did it take your tech team to put all this information in? Because Bollywood got data, it goes so many years.
It is not Bollywood. You can select the language also, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi, and English also you can select. That's all coming. So if somebody wants to do only Hindi movie, they can do Hindi movie. You can select preferences there. Each and everything we are doing, and we have a lot of things.
So how much time did it take to input all this data?
Lot of work is happening.
Yeah, we are having a dedicated content team behind this. We are having about 50 people working with different film industries, that is Tollywood, Mollywood, Hollywood, everything. So we have 10 people in each industry putting questions continuously.
Every day.
So every day. And daily we are adding about 250 questions per person. And it is going great, and since the last 1 year we have been doing it, and we are having a pretty big database of movie related questions.
Sunny, आपको किसमें महारत है? I mean, what is your more experience about, if I talk about the knowledge of Hindi film industry or the Tollywood, given a choice कि आप खेलें अगर सूपी पे, तो कौन सी लैंग्वेज में खेलना चाहेंगे और किस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात करना चाहेंगे?
Well, it would be Hindi, and in the app, it's in the Hindi language, so मैं वो पढ़ नहीं सकती हूँ, so it would be in English.
So we'll play one game.
Yeah.
It will
Of
only
course.
for her movies. Let me see her knowledge about her movies.
We have set up a special game for her. We'll be
कुछ
doing
ऐसे
that.
movies है मैं भूलना चाहती हूँ.
We'll be making her play the game after the session.
Sunny, are there any friends in Bollywood with whom you would like to play this game, like on the app with? ऐसे कोई Bollywood में आपके friends हैं जिनके साथ?
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं हार जाऊंगी, so मुझे that person उसके साथ खेलना है जो शायद मेरे से कम जानते हैं, so I would win. I wouldn't want to lose. That would just not be part of playing.
Any more questions? All good? Okay, then we'll, जैसे कि आपने बोला था, and we also have a gaming platform for Miss Sunny Leone. So can we have ask her to play?
Yes.
I have an idea for you guys. You guys should set up a tournament, like a full-on gaming tournament, and they all just get out of the chat and they lose, and the winner, gets something.
Hello? Yeah, she got the right answer. So next question. Sunny Leone made a special appearance in the movie. The options are pizza, rice, zero, war. Rice. Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, the next question. Who played the character Selena in the movie One Night Stand? Yeah, this is specially made for you. A special game for Sunny Leone. कुछ लोचा है सर, कॉमेडी फिल्म, हॉरर फिल्म, थ्रिलर फिल्म.
It was supposed to be comedy.
So this is how simple the questions are. Anyone can play with a basic knowledge of movies, and they can select their industry preference. That is whichever industry that they want, Tollywood, Mollywood, or whichever. And they can also select the regional languages in which they need to see the questions and answer. Yeah, she got that also right. Where was Sunny Leone born? Yeah, that also right. The song Leila Mein Leila is from which movie? Twice. Yeah.
No?
Yes, it is the right answer. So you can give your
The
research.
last question.
So now you can see the leaderboard. So she is currently 11th. 11th is 11th question.
I scored 12.
Had to do faster.
Yeah, fastest fingers.
Minus 1.
So then we have plus one of each. Sunny Leone, double roll in the film.
ये तो मैं pass करूँगी.
Next. Sunny Leone was born in Canada. Yes. Is the song Leila Mein Leila sung by Sunny Leone? Oh, pretty good. Sunny Leone played the song Leila Mein Leila.